Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you've been following me from the very beginning, you would know that I slid onto YouTube with a hair review video. So hair has always been my thing. I have waited for the day where I can get hair growing out of my scalp, and the time has come. But there is one thing that people are not telling everybody. We are not being completely truthful. And this is the one thing they are not telling you. Lace frontals are super high maintenance. I know a lot of people have the illusion, they see the videos and the photos on Instagram and they're like, I can't wait to go to so-and-so and get my hair laid and slayed. I'll be completely honest with you. You will get your hair laid and slayed and it will look amazing for the day. But after the day, reality sets in and you have to maintain that baby. You have to look after that baby. And honestly, talking from experience, I've been to the best of the best of the best UK and American hairstylists have done my hair. And I can say the same thing applies. You still have to maintain the hair after it's done. I know a lot of good hairstylists, and it's not the trouble with the hairstylist. It's the fact that you guys need to know that yes, your hair is going to look slayed and amazing, slayed to the gods, but you're gonna have to work to look after it. So I got this hair done about a week ago. Let me check the facts. Okay, so I got my hair done about 10 days ago, and I've had to take off the frontal and put it on again 3 times. Not once, but 3 times. So I know you guys all saw the photos of my hair looking flipping fantastic and amazing. It was amazing. Eugene did my hair. She did my hair flawlessly. I was feeling myself. Everybody else was feeling it. So I'm gonna insert a clip now of Eugene doing my hair. Guys, tell me how amazing and flawless this looked. I was feeling myself. Yeah, check this out and I'll be right back. Eugene did my hair. She's a boss. I recommend everybody go to her. About 2 days afterwards, I had to take it off and do it again. And thank God I know how to do it. But there's a lot of people that go to salons and hairstylists and they get their hair slayed and it looks amazing. They take photos on a day and then your hair starts to look like this. I don't know how it is to be in like the ordinary customer seat, because I don't know what I would do if I went to a hairstylist, got my hair slayed, and then 2 days, a week later, my frontal looks like this. There's so much that goes into the process of lace frontals, whether you're buying it from a hair company like RPG Show, or you are getting it made by a hair company, or you sew in the frontal. I wouldn't recommend anyone sewing in frontals. The best thing about wig frontals is that you can take it off and put it on again. It's easier to maintain when it's a wig as opposed to when it's glued down. Trust me, I've seen it in person. Does not look great. So I'm gonna give a little bit of advice for those who may be like first time frontal wearers. I don't want you guys to get any horrors after you leave the salon and your hair has come up, or your wig starts to move back, or it starts getting little flaky bits. I want to save you guys the stress. Yes, it looks amazing in pictures, but just know the reality of the matter is completely different most of the time. So if you are new to wearing wigs, I would advise you start with a lace closure. Guys, we all had to start there. We all started with lace closures, and they were bomb, and they still are bomb. Like I think closures are still popping. Gives you that cut middle parting, or that cut side part, but you can still customize a closure. So the difference between a closure and a frontal, for those who do not know, a frontal goes from ear to ear. A closure is only a small part, usually 5 by 5, yeah? So you can still customize that section as if you were customizing the whole frontal. So if you're new to wigs, stick with closures first until you get used to that. Another thing that you guys need to know about frontal wigs is that the frontal does not last forever. Oh, happy days it would be if it did. But frontals, because you customize them, you bleach it, you pluck it, it does start to shed. The reason why we actually pluck the frontal is because, you know, people like that have like natural hair like this, like Caucasian people, for instance, you will see that they don't have full hairlines. They have sparse bits. And the reason why they have sparse bits is because they're losing hair. So when you pluck a frontal, you're actually losing hair. And if you over pluck the frontal, you will end up with a bald frontal, yeah? But the good thing about it is that you can change the frontal. So you can just cut the frontal out and then get a new frontal put in, maybe in another 6 months. But I just want you to know that frontals don't last forever. So if you're thinking, okay, I'm gonna go and spend this on the frontal because it's gonna last me forever, don't kid yourself. That's not reality. You want the truth, or you want me to lie to you? Huh? You want me to lie to you, or not? Another thing that I see so much with lace wigs is the excessive baby hair. Now, if that's your thing, that's your thing. And honestly, I love baby hairs when I have curly hair because it just makes sense. But I feel like a lot of people do excessive baby hairs to cover up the lace. So as you can see, I'm going to show you later how I reinstalled my frontal. But as you can see, there's no baby hairs there. I don't need it. It's already tweezed. There's no baby hairs. No baby hairs is needed. If I wanted to do it, I could still cut it. But I feel like this is the best way. This is the most natural way to wear your hair. And like I said, a lot of people use it just to cover up the lace because they don't want it to be so visible. And each to their own. That's totally fine. If you want to do that, go ahead and do that. But you really don't need to. Another thing you need to do to make your wigs look as natural as possible is get the right shade lace. If you are buying it from like a website like RPG Show, they usually dye the lace for you, or they have different lace shades. Make sure you pick a color that's close to your skin tone. Otherwise, you have to bleach and tint the lace. That's what makes it look natural. If you're dark skinned, you don't want an orange or a grey or a yellow frontal because it's gonna make your scalp look stupid, to be honest. You want it to look as close to your scalp color as possible, right? Another thing also is that not all lace is the same lace, okay? Sometimes you get extra thin lace, or you get extra thick lace, or you get lace frontals that are so full at the front. You get lace frontals that are jaggedy, and just doing too many grooves. The perfect lace is what I'm gonna show you now. This is how ideally you want your frontal to look. So to the good part. So I'm sure you guys all want to know what hair this is that I've been rocking. This hair is from Ali Julia, and I actually used him in my last video as well. So this hair is Brazilian wavy hair, and I'm wearing 4 24 inches and a 20-inch frontal. And so I absolutely love the luster and the thickness of this hair. Just look how beautiful it is. And I've washed this, I've conditioned it, I've done so much with it, and it still looks so beautiful. Look at it. The hair texture is amazing. And another reason why you guys are probably loving this hair is because it is jet black. And you guys, if you've been watching me, you know that I always said I hated 1B hair. But recently, I kind of kicked that rule to the curb, and I was like, you know what? It looks natural, whatever. But guys, get into this jet black hair on my skin tone. Like, get into this jet black hair on my skin tone. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. It brings out my skin more, and it's divine. Beautiful, you know. That's what I really want to say about lace frontal wigs. I don't want anyone to be deceived, and I don't want to deceive anyone. And so when I talk about they, I'm also talking about myself. But if anyone asks me advice, I'm 100% honest with them. I always tell my friends, lace frontals are super high maintenance. If you've got time and if you've got the coin, do it. If not, stick to closures. And there's a ton of YouTube videos out there showing you how quick it is to do. Honestly, it's not that quick. It takes about an hour to redo your lace. So I'm going to show you quickly how I remove my lace, wash my lace, and refit my lace. So I'll be back. Okay, so your wig's going to start to look like this in a few days. And so what you want to do is you want to take it off and you want to wash the lace. There's going to be like a lot of build up on the lace frontal. So what you want to do is you want to use a toothbrush and you want to use some conditioner, and you just want to kind of lightly brush over the lace frontal. The glue is going to melt away because all you need is water to take it off anyway. It's not like proper glue, so you'll be fine. I'm going to wash the hair, so I'm going to wash and condition the whole hair. Then I'm going to blow dry it, and then I'm going to show you how I fit it now. So you want to start by removing any glue that may be on your forehead from the last time you installed the wig. And you want to take it off by using something like alcohol, or you can just use wipes. You then want to clip the hair back so you have just the front to look out for. Next, you want to use the Got2b glue. This is my favorite glue, the black one. It's clear, so it does not dry white, which is perfect. So you want to move the wig back, and then you want to put a layer around the hairline. Some people prefer to put it on the hairline or in front of the hairline. I don't really mind. Use a blow dryer on low to medium heat. You don't want to use it too hot, otherwise it's going to turn white. You don't want to put on a second layer if that's what you wish. Usually I just put on one layer and it's absolutely perfect. You then want to pull the lace frontal forward, and you want to start sticking the front first, and then you want to start sticking the side. So yeah, anytime you go and get your lace frontal done, if you want to refer back to this video, because the second day after I got my hair done, I tried to do it myself again and it just flopped completely, and that's okay. If you get it wrong, it's fine. It's all trial and error. This was like my third time attempting it, and it actually came out really nice. So just have patience with yourself. There's a bit of shiny parts there. You can use alcohol to remove that. I don't really mind it, to be honest, but as you can see, like, it's such a perfect color because she tinted the lace for me. It just blends into the skin, I believe, anyway. So far so good. I can definitely totally vouch for this hair. It has not failed me yet. I've washed it, conditioned it, straightened it, curled it, and I've just been having so much fun on Snapchat showing it, and you guys have been asking me for the details for like the longest while, and I feel so bad for telling you guys to like wait until the YouTube video is out, but it's just so much easier just to give you all the information in one video without like blabbering on. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me thumbs up. Let me know what you think about frontals. If you're thinking of trying frontals, if you like it but it's not for you, let me know your thoughts on frontals and everything in general. Like I said, it's super high maintenance. If you're willing to do the work, it's fine. I'm not telling you don't wear frontals. I'm just saying be prepared for the work because it's long, okay? It's very long. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be fine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more hair videos, but also my talking videos. I will have a video out very soon. Take care.
Bye guys. Mwah.